If you want to make your hosting a website private, this video will walk you through two simple methods depending on how your site is built. Whether you're using WordPress or hosting a website builder, you can lock your site behind a password in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you're still working on your website, want to keep client projects private, or only want certain people to access your pages. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's look at the WordPress method. If your website is built with WordPress on Hostinger, log into your Hostinger H-panel and go to Websites. Find the site you want to protect and click WP Admin. This opens your WordPress dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu, then go to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Password Protected, lock entire site, pages, posts. This plugin is designed to help you quickly lock down your WordPress site with a password. Once you find it, click Install Now, and after the installation finishes, click Activate. After that, go to the main left menu again and select Password Protected. This is where you'll configure the security settings for your site. On the settings page, find the status section and check the box for Password Protected status, or switch it on if it appears as a toggle. This turns on protection for your website. Now, it's time to set the password. Look for the new password field and type in the password you want people to use. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Then re-enter the same password in the confirm password field below it. This step is important because it makes sure there are no typing mistakes. Once both fields are filled in, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. That's it for the WordPress method. Your website is now private and anyone who visits will need the password to continue. Now let's move on to the second method for hosting a website builder sites. If your site was created with Hostinger's built-in website builder, the process is a little different but still very simple. Start by going back to your Hostinger H panel and click Websites. Find the website you want to edit and click Edit Website. This will open the builder editor. Inside the editor, look for Pages and the navigation on the left sidebar. This is usually shown with a page layers icon. Click it to see all the pages on your website. Now find the page you want to protect, such as About, Contact, or even a store subpage. Next to that page, click the three dots icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, choose Password with the key icon. After opening the password settings, turn on the Enable Password toggle. Then enter the password you want to use in the text field. As always, choose something secure and keep it stored somewhere safe. Once the password is entered, save your changes. Depending on your setup, you may need to click Update Website or Publish in the top right corner to make the change live. And that's really all there is to it. If you're using WordPress, you can protect the entire site with a plugin. If you're using Hostinger Website Builder, you can protect individual pages directly from the page settings. Either way, you now know how to make your Hostinger website private and control who can access your content. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger and website setup guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.